All right, we made it to Siesta Beach. $66 for parking. If you're gonna come here, be prepared. $66. That's crazy. Did anybody say, hey, Dad, you need me to pitch in? No. They didn't say nothing. This one over here, nothing. Even the little one.
I helped find the parking.
Yeah. Okay. And it's her car.
So that means you should pay.
So that means she should pay because it's her car. All right, we made it to Embassy Suites Sarasota. Look at the elevator, guys. Level 1. Level 1. Here's the lobby. We have some nice sofas here. You go check in on the right side over there. There's people there, so I'm not gonna record. There we go. Let's find our room. This way. Happy anniversary. Okay. Okay, let's see the view. Welcome, David. Oh my God, I got my name on the TV. We're gonna explore the hotel. I left my wallet. You got it? Just kidding.
Why'd you do it like that?
Good job.
I go like this.
Where's mommy going? You lost? You know you could go in a circle? Yeah, you could go in a circle. Go, do it.
No, by the time I get back, he's already going in the elevator.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, the hotels. Oh, it looks like there's a pool up there. On top of the roof up there in the Westin Hotel.
That's probably where the pool is.
Yeah. Oh, there's the bike area, look. The bike rental.
The bikes we get?
I believe so. No, they have some downstairs at the lobby. It is super hot out here. Look at them, they're enjoying it. Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Let's get a quick lift in.
Let's just show you real quick.
I brought Jacko's on, I'll watch out.
And there is a nice view.
These are workout shorts right here. Hey, let me work on these games.
What gains is he talking about, guys? What is it doing? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Woo. It's a pterodactyl, you hear it? Got the tour guys. Tour girls. There we go. Lead the way. Watch out the water. You gotta go inside the water. Yeah. Yes. We got matching shirts. Look at our shirts, guys. Oh, we still do. Oh my God, 25 years. 1999. Oh, so sweet. No. Look at pterodactyls. Florida has dinosaurs.
We should have just took those bikes that they let us use.
Girl, there's only 2.
I think that's not right.
They're allowed
because
2. We're going here?
2 people in the room.
Hey, were you're making us walk 5 miles? Oh, okay. All right.
Did you guys press the button?
No, they did it. Girl,
Randy, it's not gonna work.
that's not how you do it.
Look, it worked. We could
Push
walk
button to turn.
now. How do we know if we're supposed
All right,
to
it's
go?
saying crossing right here. We gotta be careful.
Guys,
It's flashing.
go.
See? And we go this way.
Did we stop it for them to press the button?
Over here. Boom. This is so dangerous. It's so nice. I like this building. Press the button. Be careful. There we go. Whoa, look at that guy with the Papa Willie. Whoa. We are getting there. We are getting there. I smell the water. Look at all the boats. Look at all the boats. Look at that expensive yacht over there. That's why your back is sweating.
You are.
Woo! It's a little hot. Like dripping sweat. Hey, all docks and vessels. This is where you just go in the boat. You can't go in there. You guys set us up to go into the boat areas.
Restaurant and cocktails right there. What's that?
Straight ahead.
Marina
They
Jack.
messed up.
I'm pretty sure we can see that
Fail. Fail.
once we get to the other side.
Whoa. Sarasota Bayfront. You okay back there? Yeah. She's hot. I'm hot too. Look at my head. It's just dripping. Dripping. A year in Florida, I'm still adapting to it. Trying. Come on, we're human. We're gonna sweat no matter what. Are you a sweater? I'm a sweater, as you can see. Here, let me get in the shade. And I got a black shirt on. Even worse. That's right, we're gonna get a boat.
Where are you gonna dock it in?
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh, that's cute.
World War II, when they got home, they were celebrating. That's exactly what they're doing.
Okay, let's go.
Let's look at that.
Come on. We'll go there in a minute.
We made it. Should we order food in the hotel? I got a buttermilk grilled chicken. Buttermilk fried chicken. Sorry. Fries. What was this one?
Fettuccine with beef. I don't know.
Look like meatballs.
I'm about to eat hers.
What's that one?
Rigatoni?
Rigatoni?
Rigatoni.
Should have got that one. She got a flatbread. Yeah. And what did you
A
get?
cell phone.
Oh, she got a cell phone. Alright, well. Look at this. Mmm. I was like, what is this pink stuff?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Pickle onion. She finally got her food. Look at that. It took that long for that? And look at mine. I already finished my sandwich. We finished dinner and here we're back in the room. It's raining. Look at the rainbow, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Look at that. Thanks a lot, Ariane. It's right there. It's real. There's another window in the room.
Yeah, I was looking out.
Oh, it's double. It's double.
It's double? Whoa, I see it. I see it.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's a rainbow for our anniversary. This circle reminds me of that movie with Chevy Chase when he was in Europe. He kept going in circles. He couldn't turn.
It's amazing. I cannot get left. There's Big Ben Kids Parliament.
It was dark and rainy. He was still in that circle. Yeah, true story. Why is it like making noise? Whoa. I wish we were like Miami Vice. Look at this. Look at this view. I feel like this is like my penthouse. Look at it. You have the sunset over there. And it has someone over here doing her little TikTok stuff right here. Yeah, get it. Get it. It's so nice. And then back there, you have some fireworks going off over there in the back somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. Look at this view. I'm scared to look over there. I'm so scared.